Welcome back to the garden. Today we're harvesting potatoes. Yay! It's August 1st today, so this is literally directly after the last permaculture garden video. And yeah, we're going to be pulling out the potatoes in here today. So let's get to it. I'll remove these guys for now.
Move it all one way for now so we get this side cleared up.
Yeah, it's hot. It's hot. Really hot already. Yeah, I feel like the potatoes are going to be pretty decent this year. That's the hope. Already finding some ones. So far so good though. There's a bunch of little ones. So cool. Feels like a creature burrowed under here. Maybe they did. Maybe a mouse or a rat or something burrowed under here and ate some potatoes. Because I'm feeling like these pockets. That's a nice one. So down here, this is the salad bed that I just schmagged up today. I believe we had a potato plant right around here, so I'm just gonna look, because I didn't plan on planting it, it just popped up. Oh yeah, look, there's a little potato. There's another one. Yeah, I think I got it all here. Just a few little tiny ones. Just a few little ones. Whoops. Foraging.
Yeah. They really are. It actually feels really nice having your feet in the earth.
Good over here.
Nice. Well,
Nice ones. Yeah, we've been finding the little burrow in here. It looks like that's what they've been doing. They've been nibbling on it. This one's been trying to chit too, though. So we won't keep that one.
it's a nice batch of potatoes you got there. Now we're in the earth, are now rolling
potato.
out of the basket.
Oh no! Just
Oh
do
my
this.
goodness, it's a potato infestation. Damn. Look at all that.
We're in the shade because it's hot. But there's our potatoes.
Yay.
Yay! That's a pretty good harvest. This is one of the biggest harvests I think we've ever had. That was our goal. So, yay! Some little critter was in there eating them, but still got a lot actually.
Yeah, what can you do?
Can you do? Very good. Thanks for watching this little potato harvest video, and like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Bye.
Bye.